Good morning, fifth grade. I hope you're having a good day so far. Happy Tuesday. I am in a new location today. And I have someone that I want to introduce you to. So if you come to Hangouts today, I promise there will be a little surprise for you to meet today. So come at 9 or 1. I'm really excited about it. But today we're going to be reading chapter 18. So come at 9 or 1, we'll read chapter 18, take notes together. I do want to let you know that on Thursday, we're going to actually finish the book. So I am going to ask that you figure out how you can be online at either 9 or 1 on Thursday. I would like all of you at one of those two times to be online. That way we can finish the book together. So if that's something that you are going to struggle with, let me know. If you need to talk to your folks about what time is going to work best, do that. But I would love to see you at 9 or 1. That way we can finish the book as a class and talk about it. So 9 or 1 on Thursday. Don't forget to work on your letter to me. It is due on Friday. Don't forget about your journal. It's the last one of the year. I had a couple of kids ask, you can turn it in when you get done. So go ahead and you may turn her in. For Hangouts today, we're going to be reading. So come at 9 or 1. Make sure you log on right at 9 or 1. We'll read chapter 18 and take notes together. Your joke for the day is, what kind of haircuts do bees get? Come join me today because I have a fun surprise. We'll see you guys.